Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the foundation, set your slide size to 16:9, and enable guides so elements align. Once done, pick one header typeface and one body face. Limit to 2 weights to keep contrast readable. Next, choose a 2-color palette with a single accent color and apply it in the master so changes propagate. This first action focus saves time and enforces consistency. By starting with these essentials, every subsequent visual choice is fast and intentional. You now execute the middle steps that make slides pop. Lay out content on a 3-column grid and use a 1/4 to 3/4 visual rhythm for hero areas so focal points read left to right. Once that structure is set, standardize elevation with small shadows, size 4, blur 8, 20% opacity, for depth without clutter. Replace dense bullets with compact icon plus do-line text blocks and make sure baselines align. These choices increase scan speed and visual polish. You finish by proofing and optimizing. Export a PDF proof and view it at 100% and on a phone to confirm scale. Once done, optimize images for the destination, 72 dpi for screen, 300 dpi for print, and compress to 200 to 300 kilobytes if possible. Make a final sweep for contrast, ensure body text is at least 18 point, and test links. If spacing or overlap appears, toggle the grid and nudge elements by 1 pixel to fix alignment fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.